Hello everyone and welcome to Valinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library error on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. If you are encountering the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library error, do not worry, there is a straightforward fix. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft C++ Redistributable. Once the search results appear, navigate to the official Microsoft page for the latest Visual C++ Redistributable supported downloads. Scroll down the page and locate the x64 version. Select this version and then proceed to open the downloaded file. Within the installer, you will find an option to repair the installation. Click on Repair, and the system will begin reinstalling the necessary files. This process should resolve the runtime error you are experiencing. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.